Today let's see how to make an intact sleeve blouse. So first of all I will take my fabric and spread it to show it to you. Then I make a fold from bottom to top. And another fold from my right to left. Make sure all the folds and fabric edges are proper. So now we have made 2 folds. Then place the pattern on the fabric and trace it out. As mentioned in the pattern, I here place it along the folds. There is a body fold and a sleeve fold. Place the pattern properly on the fabric and then trace out the pattern. Next I here pin the fabric and cut them out. Then I unfold them. Just have a look and you get to see an open at the center. And the open here is the neck open, so I next mark the pleat value along the shoulder. Mark 2 inches from the neck. Then 4 inches below. And 5 inches at the bottom. Connect the first 2 points together as I do and pin them up. Then the other point inwards. At last fold the lower part and pin it up. And now we will stitch them up. Stitch the pleat one by one. Do it as I do. and it looks this way when you stitch them up. So your final product is ready. I have just tied it up at the waist using a band. I hope you might all like this product. Thank you.